Uh,
Ready?
Firstly, it's a big reveal over here. What would you like to say about it? About the reveal?
Anything that you would like to say about the reveal?
I think it's an exciting moment for me also. First time playing for this team. Let's make some memories together.
Yes. Tell us something about the Sobo.
I can't tell you much because I've only spent a few days with them. But after this tournament, I can tell you a lot more. We'll
How do you
create.
feel with the team?
So as you said, you have spent only some days with the team right now. So how excited are you to work for?
I'm very excited because as I see from the entire support staff, from the entire group, from all the boys, everyone's very excited and very motivated to do well, very excited to learn, and we're all looking forward to an opportunity to express
One
ourselves.
word for your team.
Falcons.
How much KKR experience is going to help you in this tournament? There you used to play for the impact player for number 4. Here can we see you opening the batting?
वो आपको 4 तारीख को पता चलेगा.
And what about tomorrow? Tomorrow is a big game, RCB versus Punjab. What would you like to say?
I'll say good luck to both the teams and our Sober Falcons skipper Shreyas Iyer.
हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे प्रतियोगिता का तीसरा साल है इस तरह से देखते हैं कि मुंबई का जो यूथ है जो क्रिकेट के लिए आजकल प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा ले रहा है उनके लिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण है ये पूरा टूर्नामेंट.
मुंबई की यूथ के लिए बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत बड़ा मौका है खेलने के लिए और सीखने के लिए, क्योंकि ये बॉम्बे के सारे बेस्ट प्लेयर्स इस टूर्नामेंट में खेलेंगे. श्रेयस भैया, सूर्या भैया, शिवम भैया और बहुत सारे बेस्ट प्लेयर्स. तो फिर मैं इंक्लूडेड, मैं भी यूथ हूँ, तो मैं भी सीखना चाहूँगा इनसे बहुत कुछ और बाकी सब भी सीखना चाहेंगे इनसे बहुत कुछ और हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है सीखने के लिए.
श्रेयस अय्यर की कप्तानी को इस बार कितना मिस किया और वो फाइनल में है ऑलरेडी. तो पिछले साल आप भी फाइनल में थे, तो इस साल आपने कितना मिस किया और अजिंक्य रहाणे जो नए कप्तान थे उनके अंडर खेलने में कितना मज़ा आया आपको?
मैं तो कहना चाहूँगा कि दोनों ही इंडिया के ग्रेटेस्ट लीडर्स हैं.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छे लीडर्स हैं और दोनों ही एक ही तरीके से गेम खेलते हैं जो है जीतना चाहते हैं. और मैं दोनों से ये सीखा हूँ कि जब भी खेलूँ क्रिकेट तो टीम के लिए 100% दूँ. तो दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे लीडर और दोनों के साथ ही खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है.
मुंबई T20 लीग की बात करें, काफ़ी सारे प्लेयर्स, शिवम दुबे भी यहाँ से आए थे. ये लीग एक बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट होता है. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को किस तरह से आप देखते हो?
अभी मैंने बोला ये सीखने का बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. बॉम्बे के बेस्ट प्लेयर खेलते हैं तो मैं भी ट्राई करूँगा और हमारी एंटायर टीम ट्राई करेगी कि जितना ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो सकता है डे बाय डे और जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं उतना करें.
व्हाट अबाउट द रेड बॉल? आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर रेड बॉल? रणजी ट्रॉफी में किस तरह से वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है, एक आखिरी सवाल है, वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है आपके, बट रेड बॉल में इतनी देखी नहीं आपकी बैटिंग, तो रेड बॉल को किस तरह से आप देखते हो?
मुझे तो सारे ही क्रिकेट खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. वाइट बॉल हो, रेड बॉल हो, दोनों ही इक्वली बहुत मज़ा आता है. क्रिकेट खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है मुझे, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो जब भी मैं क्रिकेट खेलूँ, चाहे वाइट बॉल हो, रेड बॉल हो, अपना बेस्ट दूँगा. थैंक यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our anthem, and we present to you the Team Sobo Mumbai Flying Center, Mr. Kapil Deva, along with our team principal Vikrant Yeligetti and our kids from the karting team of the Mumbai Falcons, right there representing both the sports. Ladies means to the country. I think you single-handedly have been instrumental in making cricket a religion in this country with what you did in 1983 and the years to follow. But I must tell everybody that not only he has been a part of our racing team, but he's also very, very active in the golfing circuit. So you've been representing so many sports.
Yeah, because I wasn't good in education or any other thing.
Excuse me?
So my mom said just go and play. So I just played different sports and I enjoyed myself. And I met Amit. Thank you very much. He introduced me to something which all the young kids like to enjoy, driving, fast driving. and I wasn't on the right age to drive fast, but I spent time with them in the last few years and really enjoyed it. I said, what a wonderful thing has happened. I stopped playing cricket, but I again got into the different things and I enjoyed every minute.
Wow. Now since you've been a part of motorsport for the last couple of years, how do you witness the Indian market for motorsport? How do you see the Indian market for motorsport?
I think not only motorsports, in every sports. In last, if I talk about 30 years back, there was only 1 hour on television, Sunday, where they used to show all the sports, whatever in 1 hour we can see. Today, we have 7 channels, 24/7, we should see all the sports. So I think the change have taken place only because people love the sports in this country. I don't know why they didn't love during my time, but now I think all, you say badminton, you say kabaddi, you say cricket, you can say hockey, and all the sports and all. I can't not to talk about car racing or motorbike racing. I think it's so wonderful. It's giving a youngster the opportunity to go their talent and ability. I think wonderful.
That's beautiful, sir. Now, so many youngsters under this roof, they all look up to you. And they all come to you knocking at your door for an advice. But I want
हमें उनको सिर्फ डायरेक्शन दिखा सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
लेकिन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपके करियर के दौरान सबसे बेस्ट एडवाइस आपको किसने दी और क्या दी, ताकि हम उससे कुछ सीखें.
I think he said in English, which I couldn't understand what he said. At that time, he said, if you want to be successful in life, keep your eyes and ears open while sleeping also. So I translated my own Punjabi and broken Hindi. I said, how anybody can keep his eyes and ears open while sleeping also? And he took a point wrong. You can learn about that. I think that was the best advice. So I like to learn every day when I come out. What more I can learn, what more I can get knowledge from different people.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence. You will have to be with me on stage for a bit, but since you mentioned the captain, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a bit of a message from our very own captain, Shreyas Iyer, as a man of the hour. And this is where we start with the cap distribution ceremony. Since he's not here, he's got a message for all of you. Please take a look.
Hey guys, Shreyas Iyer here. Sorry I couldn't be there today, but I'm tuning in from the thick of IPL final spread. What I'm equally excited about though is what's next. As soon as the IPL wraps up, I'm heading straight back home and straight into action with the Soho Mumbai Falcons for the T20 Mumbai League. There's something special about playing in your own city. The vibe, the energy, the crowd, you just feel it more. And to be part of a new team like this, backed by people who have made a serious mark in motorsport, it's exciting stuff. All the best for the start. I'll be joining in soon and we'll be ready to hit the ground running. Let's make this debut season one to remember. Go Duck!
That's a powerful message. He said he stood out. And let's start with this cap distribution ceremony. No of center stage, Prasad Padalidis. We now have on stage Yash Choka, the dynamic man coming center stage. Man has been putting everything he's got online. Please take center stage and join us in the gap distribution ceremony.
चलो हो गया चलो आ जाओ भाई हमारा भी मैडम रुकिए मैडम वेट मैडम सामने
मोबाइल पीछे हाँ ओके ओके सर नो वाइट नहीं देता है बात
अच्छा मेरे ऊपर भी कैमरा है
Enjoy the live performance that's coming for you.
सारा जी यहाँ भी सारा यहाँ
इधर मैं एक बार ये साइड में भी
लुक इधर
सारा सेंटर
सेंटर से लेना आना सारा ये
में यहाँ पे बिल्कुल यहाँ पे
सारा ये क्या बात है
फ्लैंक की यहाँ पे मार रहा है सारा जी फ्लैंक किस यहाँ पे फ्लैंक
किस चाहिए इसको
यहाँ पे यहाँ देखिए यहाँ पे एक फ्लैंक किस सारा एक फ्लैंक किस
कैमरा फुट
सारा नाइस सारा जी उधर भी फ्लाइंग किस
सारा ओनली यो हमारे पास भी
राउंड अप हो जाए नहीं नहीं करने को तो
बाय
बाय ए अंबानी चला